Miss Shirui Lily. So this is going to be the first edition of Miss Shirui Lily, although we have had Miss contests in the past years. So moving forward, we have welcomed you all just to announce this good news that it has officially been named as Miss Shirui Lily. And we would like to express our gratitude to our Honorable MLA, Mr. Ram Muivah, and to our CM, N. Biren Singh, for agreeing to this decision, and also to the two headmen of Shirui village to give the consent and then have no objections to use this name as the title for the winner. We are going to go ahead with the auditions from 17th to 19th. 17th we will have the auditions on Ukhrul, and in 18th in Imphal, and 19th it is online. So it is online because a lot of our own Manipur citizens are out of Manipur and they want to come down for the pageant, but they cannot come down because they have to book the flight tickets and all, and it will cost a lot of money until and unless it's sure that they are going to be one of the finalists. So we are going to organize these online auditions so that whoever gets selected, they may be rest assured, and they can come down and participate as one of the selected candidates for the pageant.